So what are we doing today, Adbeel?
We're gonna be looking at a job where our client likes his building, but where he wants the building, I think he has about 4 feet of fill that we have to bring. We're gonna see what options we can bring up to help our client stay in budget. Stay tuned.
Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's Eric and my good friend Adbeel, and we're out here in Joshua, Texas. Not that far from the office, but one of the main reasons for this video is to educate you guys on site visits. And for today's visits, what's one of the main reasons we're here?
We're here to explore some options for our client because our client is wanting to do a 30 by 60 with 2 lean-tos on each side. And right here, if you're looking at the elevation, there's just a lot of slope. Right? And then so we got a couple concerns here. One is water, so for drainage or erosion, and also the amount of work that has to be done. So we're trying to work with our client to find options to fit his budget. So I want to talk about, you know, what it is to look at this site because it's raw right now. Once it's finished, it's gonna look amazing. So
yeah, and going back to what Adbeel was saying about our client, one of the key reasons we're here too is we're gonna explore options, take this data that we're gonna get from here, go back to the office, go back to the drawing board, and then present our client with different options that will fit his budget, right?
that's correct.
So we're gonna go and check out the stakes and then explore the different options that we have for this particular client. So let's get this tour going.
Let's go. So as you can see here, guys, we do have, like, I mean, just from here all the way to the street, it's about, from here, it's about 8 to 10 feet of you know,
off level
from the street. And you'll see some of the shots of the property. So that's a big concern because all the water is going here and you can tell it's going that way.
Yeah.
So from here, we're gonna have a small approach because we want to basically raise it to be able to enter and access the main slab of the building.
And we'll put the building up on screen on what the architectural renderings plans looks like now.
That's correct. So we're gonna have a main structure here, which is like a 30 wide, and then we're gonna have a lean-to on this side. I believe it's 12 foot.
12 foot.
And that's gonna be for his RV. Okay,
yes,
so you're seeing the RV. This RV is gonna go on that side. And then on this side, we're gonna have a lean-to. It's a little bit more of a patio, picnic, hangout, cookout.
Yeah.
Sunday football.
Sunday football.
And then we're gonna have an extension here, which is gonna be a gable extension.
Yes.
In the front here. So as soon as we enter here, that's where we're gonna start having the foundation. The biggest concerns here we have is that we have a lot of dirt that we have to bring.
A lot of dirt.
At the back over there, we did the measurements going to be about 5 foot above you know, normal grade right now.
Not sure if you guys can see the stake from here, but it's right at the end of that shipping container. The front side of the building will start here, right in the front, and then end on the back side. And that's roughly about 5 foot, right, Adbeel?
Right. It's going to be about 5 foot. You can see from that shot. Yeah, it's going to be about 4 feet. And then we still have to go at least a foot, recommended 24 inches to a foot inside grade. So we're going to have a big footer.
Yeah.
And then we do have cross internal beams, really tie the slab together.
Yeah.
And then out here, it's just going to be an exposed concrete.
But something real quick, Pac, that I want to note here is that when you make that call to the office, when you're looking for a metal building and you're giving your overall dimensions for your concrete foundation, that's the number that we can give you, correct, Adbeel? But the number that we can't, are these numbers that we're about to get, these site prep numbers.
That is correct. So when you call, you know, we can quote you the metal building price, we can quote you the concrete price. And the concrete price is assuming that the ground is perfectly level. And we know that no ground is perfectly level. So there's always going to be some sort of work that has to be done with the grade. And so that gets determined after, you know, you say, hey, I like the building price. I like the concrete price. We say, okay, well, let's schedule a site visit. That way we can go out there and we can see the site and see, okay, this is what we got to do to prep the ground to be ready to receive a concrete foundation.
Yes.
And typically the cost for that will usually be fill, dirt, any equipment rental, such as a dozer, skid steers or whatever. And then
Labor.
also getting deeper footings. So like here we have to, for this building, it's 14-foot tall. I think it's 12 by 18 inches, 12-inch wide, 18-inch footers are minimum required. But here we're gonna go deeper so it's gonna require a lot more concrete and a lot of dirt, a lot of select fill in this property.
Yeah.
Other things we have to keep in mind is that since all the water is coming in, there's gonna be water that's just kind of draining, and it can actually start carving the bottom of your footers. So it's very important that we actually go deep enough where we minimize that from happening.
Yeah.
But one of the reasons we're also here is we're trying to fit into the budget.
One of the key, and I can't stress this enough, the importance of site visits is that you're getting a set of eyes on the site, on the project, right? So now we're out here, we're exploring all these different options, we're bouncing ideas with the client to save him on his budget, right? If you're keeping up with this video, I know it's a long one, but there's a lot of factors that taking place. I mean, we're looking at different options, different obstacles. Again, very key to have these site visits. They're worth every dollar, I guarantee you.
So, all right, guys, I hope that this video helps. If there's any other questions, leave them in the comments.
Yeah, leave them in the comments. Anything to help us create a better channel for you, to help you on this journey obtaining a metal building or a concrete foundation. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's hit that notification bell to stay updated on everything WolfSteel Buildings. All right? Thank you, guys.